Why use mind maps? Mind maps are a great way to organise your ideas if you're planning work like an essay or a project. Mind maps help to bring information together in one place, and they're a great tool to use for recapping and revision. What exactly are mind maps? Well, they're diagrams that show the important points and how these relate and connect to each other. The shape and structure of a mind map can help provide cues to help you to remember information more easily. It's the process of creating a mind map where the magic happens. So let's have a look at how to draw and create your mind map. Simply write the subject or topic in the centre of the page and draw a circle around it. Identify key points or important facts and draw lines out from the centre for each key point. Use single words or simple phrases to keep the mind map clear and easy to read. Then dive deeper and explore each key point for the next level of information. Keep drawing lines out or branches for each new topic or fact. You can use colours, pictures and symbols too. Finally, look for connections between key ideas, and this will help you to see links. Draw cross linkage lines between them to show the connections. The magic in mind maps is the process where you have to think and distill down a lot of information to select the important points and how everything links together. Let me know how you get on.